Understanding, with all due respect. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we simplify English phrases for learners across the globe. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and widely used phrase, with all due respect. This phrase can be quite tricky, not just in understanding its direct meaning but also in grasping the nuances of its usage. So, stay tuned as we unfold the layers of this phrase, ensuring you can use it confidently in your conversations. With all due respect is a phrase used to politely disagree with someone or to introduce a statement that might be contrasting or critical of the person's opinion or actions. The literal meaning suggests that you are offering all the respect that is due or appropriate to the person you are addressing. It's a way to soften the impact of what comes next, showing that your disagreement or criticism comes from a place of respect and not hostility. This phrase is particularly useful in formal settings or when you're speaking with someone you wish to show deference to, such as a boss, elder, or an authority figure. It's important to use it sparingly and genuinely because overuse or inappropriate use can make it seem insincere or even sarcastic. For example, in a meeting, with all due respect, I believe there might be another solution to this problem. In a discussion, with all due respect, I have to disagree with your point on this matter. It's also crucial to maintain a respectful tone of voice and body language when using this phrase. The words should match the intent of showing respect, even in disagreement. While, with all due respect, is a helpful phrase in English, it's essential to be aware of cultural nuances when using it in international contexts. In some cultures, directly disagreeing with someone in authority can be seen as disrespectful, regardless of the phrases used. Therefore, understanding the cultural background of the person you're speaking to can help in determining whether or not to use this phrase. To become comfortable using, with all due respect, try practicing it in different scenarios. You can create role-play situations where you respectfully disagree with someone and use this phrase. Remember, the key is to balance your tone, the context of the conversation, and the relationship with the person you're speaking to. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, with all due respect. We hope this video has clarified its meaning, usage, and the subtle nuances that come with it. Remember, effective communication is not just about the words you use but how you use them. So, practice using this phrase appropriately, and you'll find it a valuable addition to your English language toolkit. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful in your English learning journey. See you in the next video.